Hey there, welcome back to Taste and Flavors. Today I have for you a very quick and a very simple recipe called the Kuttu Dahi Vada. You've had dahi vadas with various other things, but this is a very unique recipe which involves the use of very limited ingredients. So if you like what you see so far, then please keep on watching the video. So the first step is to prepare the batter. It's a very quick process. For this I've taken some buckwheat flour, which is a Kuttu ka Aata. To this I've added in some salt, freshly crushed black pepper powder, chopped green chilies and a few leaves of coriander. I'm going to dry mix all of this well together, and next off I'm going to go ahead and add in some water gradually. Now you need to make sure that the consistency of this batter has to be nice, thick and gooey. It doesn't have to be too thin, otherwise you won't be able to get the perfect shaped vadas. Now I've taken a boiled potato and roughly crushed it, so there are large chunks of the potato. I've added it to the batter. I'll mix it really well and keep it aside. In a moderately hot oil, using 2 spoons, I will be making nice dollops and putting it into the hot oil to get the perfect small size vadas. I personally do not like big sized vadas because they don't look good when they are served, but it is completely your choice. If you want, you can also use your hands to put in the batter into the hot oil. Now do not touch it and let it turn golden brown in say roughly about 4 to 5 minutes. Give it a stir, and once you see that they have catched a nice golden brown color and are cooked through, that is when you need to go ahead and take them out on a paper towel. You can also have it as it is. They taste perfect as a starter. You can serve it along with some coriander chutney. But I will go ahead and create the dahi vada, for which I've taken some beaten yogurt. I'm going to beat this really well using a whisk. Next off, to season this, I'm going to add in some salt and a bit of black pepper powder. Just mix this really well together. It is a very simple recipe. You don't really need a lot of ingredients. With water, I'm going to get my perfect desired consistency. Make sure that while you prepare the yogurt, it is a bit thin because the vadas will absorb the water. Now I'm going to go ahead and add in the fried vadas. I'm going to stir this really well together and keep it aside for at least 40 to 45 minutes before you serve it, because it is important that the vadas have nicely absorbed the flavoursome yogurt that we have prepared. And here I've garnished it with a few pomegranate seeds and a nice mint leaf on the top. I hope that you like this recipe today and that you would give it a try. Do let me know what you think about the recipe. You can also check my previous Vrat recipe, which is the sabudana tikki, the link to which would be in the description box below. Thanks a lot for watching today's video. I will see you in my next one. Till then, you all take care. Bye-bye.